Hello there, my friends. So I just had somebody ask me about this Enso ring. I did a video when I first purchased this ring, and it's been 6 months since I purchased it. And they wanted me to do a video showing how well or badly it has held up. So I gotta tell you, when I bought the ring, this was pretty much solid black, and it does pick up dust. I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can focus. There you go. Little bits of lint. You can see that, especially with this camera. This camera picks up lint like crazy. So it's not like black, red, you know, like something really, here's a good example. Like black, red, you know, it's like muted. It's kind of gray and black, and the red is starting to turn a little shade lighter. When you wear the ring, by the way, the red is darker because this plastic is see-through. It goes all the way through the band. So you can see it's a layer of red here, and then that picks up the cutouts of the black. I really like the details of the lightsaber, but nobody can really see that unless you pull the ring off and show them. And then they're also going to see the dust. So, but the ring has expanded. So now I notice that like this is a size 9. If I'm going to buy another Enso ring in this style, I'll probably buy an 8. I don't remember them having half sizes. I think they were only full sizes. So I would buy an 8 because it would fit snugger, and it does feel like it expanded. Maybe I lost weight, but I think it has more to do with the material expanding. But one of the great things about these rings is that it does collapse and expand. So if you're like me and you have an active job, you don't want something to get caught on your ring and possibly injure your finger, this is a great ring to have. Plus it's waterproof. You know, it's not going to tarnish. So I wear this as a symbol of my love, because my love bought it for me. And but it's also and it's not like metal, which sometimes people react to different metals. Anyway, do a little close up here and run through. You can still see that little detail right there is still there. And I'll let you be the judge of how this ring has worn. And I have not worn it every day for the last 6 months, but it is 6 months old, and it's gone through maybe, I don't know, the equivalent of maybe 2 or 3 months wearing. So yeah, so that's the Enso ring. This is the Star Wars one. They have so many different ones. They have Guardians of the Galaxy. They have just really neat patterns. So yeah, I think I paid $50, or my wife paid $50 for this. So yeah, look for a sale. Sometimes you can get 2 for, sometimes you get 3. I think Star Wars, they had a deal where you could get 3 rings. You could get Luke, Darth, and Yoda for like a set price. It was less than $50 each. Is it worth it? I mean, as a Star Wars fan, I feel like it's, you know, this is probably a little more than I would expect to pay, but not bad. And also look up what Enso means. Enso is a, well, I'll just tell you, Enso is like a form of, it's like you use a brush, like an Asian brush, and you draw a circle. And it's a rough circle. Of course, the first couple ones I did actually connected. It doesn't always connect. So it's a symbol of creativity, artistry, life, and it's used in Zen. So that's the name of the company, Enso. It makes these rings. Hope you guys have a great day. Smash like if you have any more questions about anything. Let me know, and hitting like helps me a lot, and subscribing is also great. So talk to me in the comments. See you later. Take care.